Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Well, in this video, we are still focusing on the sheet metal module, and this time I would like to share with all of you how you're going to apply the jog command, okay, in order to create a certain part in SolidWorks. So let's get started. Uh, let's say I'm going to have a top plane as my sketch plane. Next I'm going to apply my center rectangle, and I'm going to create some sort like this, and I'm going to indicate the dimensions. This one is I'm going to make it 50 mm, whereas the distance or the length of this side is at least I'm going to make it 150 mm. Yeah, right. And then I'm going to apply the this flange, whereby I'm going to make it this time. I'm going to make it 2 mm, the thickness of the sheet metals, whereby I'm going to maintain with the bend allowance as well as the auto relief, which is 0.5. And once after confirm, I just need to click OK. Okay, there you are. So in order to apply the jog, you need to create a sketch. Okay, let's say I'm going to create a line over here. Let's say, and even if you refer to the icon or the symbol of this command, it will look like that. Instead, it will create for us as a part uh, with this particular offsheet. All right. So let's say I'm going to pick this plane as my sketch plane, and then I'm going to just apply. Okay, I'm going to go to isometric view. I'm going to just apply a line here. Let's say I just simply create a line over here. Let's say the distance. You no need to have this line to touch between this edge to this edge. Just enough a line like this. Okay, and then I'm going to create the distance of for this line from here to this edge is about, let's say, 60 mm. Okay, say 60 mm. There you are. And now it's time for us to apply the jog. So if you go to here, we pick jog, and in this particular case, they will ask us our fixed fees. So which section that we're going to apply the fixed fees? Either this section. Okay, let's say we represent this particular offline representing the border line. Okay, the border line, in order to separate both of this section, which is this section as well as this section. All right. So in this case, we need to apply, or we need to decide which section that we're going to fix it. So let's say I'm going to fix this particular of sections. So I need to do is that I just need to click this one. There you are. Okay, so it will create for us the jog like this. Okay, so this is blind. Okay, we do have up to so, but for the time I'm going to show to you how I'm going to apply blind, and this is reverse. Okay, upside down. Okay, all right. Now if you refer to here, this is the uh, height or the length of this particular of uh, length. Okay, the length or the height or the distance of this particular of length. Let's say, I'll show to you. Let's say I'm going to increase this to, let's say, 80. So as you can see over here, it will, okay, follow according to the dimension that we indicate over here, right? And even if you refer to the dimension position, we do have three types. Okay, this is where the dimensions look like. if we apply the outside offset, and if we inside offset, so alright, so this is for inside offset, whereas this is the overall dimension. So this is actually the positions of the dimensions, okay, for this particular of chalk. So if this overall, so you can apply this one like this. So overall you start from here to here, okay, for the inside offset, from here to here, you start from here to here inside, okay, for outside offset, okay, from here to here, whereas overall is from here to here, okay, overall from here to here overall. So you can choose either one. Okay, this for the jog position, as you can see over here. So jog position, it is actually referring to this one, the dotted line. As you can see over here, the dotted actually representing the border line, the border guideline which we have created under the sketch. So this is for bend center line. For metal inside, there are, yes, you can see metal inside, right? This is for center. This is metal inside. This is material outside, okay, right? And this is with the offset, certain offset, right? And even you can play around with the angle as well. For this checklist, I'm going to apply the bend center line, and I'm going to increase the angle, okay, just like that. Or even I can play around with this one as well. Okay, okay. This I'm going to have some sort like that. Okay, so this I'm going to make it 65 or 60 or 60 degrees. Sorry, 60 degrees. So once to confirm, you just need to click OK. Okay, there you are. Okay, let's say I'm going to apply another one more, which is over here. So I'm going to pick I'm going to pick this plane or this surface as my sketch plane. Then normal 2. Yeah, and this time I would like to create it with a certain angle. Thereby I'm going to apply the angle over here to here. Sorry, I'm going to apply angle from here to here with this. I'm going to make it 35, and let's see how does it looks like if we apply the border line, okay, just with a certain angle. So we go to sheet metal jog, unless I'm going to fix this particular of area instead of this one. I'm going to fix this one, this area. So just click this one. There you go. Okay. So I can this I'm going to make it this one 90 degree. Okay. So if 90 degree means that they're going to have this one. This one is actually here. This one. Okay. So even as I mentioned just now that we can play around with the positions of the dimensions and also the jog position as well. And I'm going to reduce the height or the length of this jog. Okay, I'm going to reduce it to 40. There you are. So once after confirm, just need to click OK. Okay guys, so that is how we can apply jog on a certain area in sheet metals. So let's say if we switch to the part that I've created just now, which is this one. Okay, let's say I'm going to apply chalk on this surface, on this particular areas. I'm going to pick this surface as my sketch plane, and then let's see, I'm going to apply with a certain line here in order to create the uh, borderline. So let's say I'm going to have some sort of that. Oh, might be a certain angle, align with a certain angle. Let's I'm going to have some sort like this. and I'm going to indicate the angle with, let's say, 30 sorry, 30 degrees. There you are. And then I'm going to apply the jog command, and the face or the section or the area that I'm going to fix is this one. There you are. And I'm going to make it reverse direction like that. And I also would like to increase to this particular of jog length or jog distance or jog height to, let's say, 100. There you are. And I'm going to maintain with the default dimension position as well as jog positions. And this I'm going to play around with this one, the angle. There you are. With 80 degrees. Let's see. Okay, dictate like that. And just once after confirm everything, I just need to click OK. There you are. All right. So if I flatten it, okay, just like that. All right. Same to go if with just now this one. If I flatten it, I flatten this particular of part, sheet metal parts. If I flatten it, it will looks like that. Okay. The gray dotted line or the gray straight line or dotted line representing the folded area or folded section, right? So okay, there you are. So you can try it out, okay, by your own, and hopefully that you understand. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in our next video. Thank you very much.